In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Amazon Household, which is now popularly called Amazon Family, and share your Prime benefits with your family members. With a few simple steps, you can extend the benefits of your Prime membership to those you care about, making shipping and streaming more accessible for everyone in your household. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Amazon account. Make sure that you're logged in as the adult member who holds an active Amazon Prime membership. This is important because only the account holder with the Prime membership can initiate the sharing of benefits. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Manage Your Amazon Family, or it might be listed as Manage Your Household. These terms are sometimes used interchangeably, but they lead to the same feature where you can begin setting up your Amazon household. Next, you'll have the option to add different types of members to your household. You need to decide whether you're adding another adult, a teen, or a child. Let's break down each option so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're adding another adult, you'll send an invitation to their email. The adult you invite will need to accept your invitation to successfully join the household. This step is straightforward and only requires that the invited adult follows the instructions in their email to accept. For setting up a child profile, the process is slightly different. You'll create a child profile directly under your account. This allows linked accounts to access certain aspects of your Prime benefits while maintaining parental controls where necessary. It's a great way to introduce kids to age-appropriate content and ship benefits safely. After you have added all the members, it's time to explore the sharing or family library settings. Here, you can decide which benefits and content you'd like to share with each member of your Amazon household. You can share a wide range of Prime benefits, such as fast and free shipping, access to streaming services, and more. Customizing these settings allows you to control what each family member can access. And that's it. Once you've set up your Amazon household, the other adults, teens, or children in your household can start enjoying many facets of your Prime membership. Whether it's a favorite TV show, quick shipping for those must-have items, or exclusive deals that Prime members enjoy, sharing your Amazon benefits can truly bring convenience and enjoyment to family life. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.